Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Get ready for new and outstanding crochet dressing ideas. Today also we brought very special content for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet dress, crochet tops. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crochet dresses. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now and press bell icon, and also don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Here are some advantages for crochet dress. The first and the main one is comfortable in movement. The flexibility of crochet allows to ease to movement. Fits well into popular fashion trends focused on nature and simplicity. Social media appeal. Great for sharing on platforms like Instagram and fashion inspirations, highlighting craftsmanship. Showcase the skill and artistry involved in crochet. Layer with accessories. Works well with various accessories to create different look. Playful or elegant. Style can range from special and unique. Unique color combination. Easy to create or find unique color combinations. Fashion for all ages. Suitable for women of all ages, from children to seniors. Durable. Many crochet items are well made and can last for years. Promotes mindfulness. The act of crocheting can be a relaxing, meditative process. Getting options. A handmade crochet dress can be a heartful gift. This is the common point which I'm always trying to discuss with you in my every video. If you have any of your special friends and you wanna give him very special gift so that he will remember that gift for a long time, so we have very good suggestion for you. If you know crocheting, it will be good. It will be very good. But if you don't know crocheting, don't worry, we have very smooth solution for that. Just make a contract with the guy who know crocheting and give him a beautiful dress order so that he can prepare that for you. After finalization, you just make a good packing for your special friend and give him that. I'm sure he will remember that gift for a long time. Actually, we are the one who will provide you the basic crochet ideas, and you are the master key of this. You can make changing as you want, as per your desire. As you want, as your heart is telling, as your mind is accepting, you can modify the dresses for crocheting. A handmade crochet dress can be a heartfelt gift. Skill development. Making your own dress can improve crafting skills. Community and social connection. Joining crochet groups can enhance social life. Affordable option. You can find both budget-friendly and high-end crochet dresses. Layer of warmth. Provides a light layer for cooler evening. Fun texture. The texture of crochet adds visual interest to an outfit. Easy to alter, simple to make adjustment if needed, fit for all body type, available in various styles that flatter different shapes. Fashion statements can be a bold choice that stands out in a crowd. Cultural heritage. Crochet is part of many cultures, adding a rich history. Diverse pattern. A wide variety of stitches and designs are possible. Artisan craftsmanship. Often handmade, adding a personal touch to sporting artisans.